I know a lot of people have been complaining how to, get the best strategy on how to trade, the forex market, the crypto market, stock market. I have a particular strategy that works 100% for me. So with the end of this video, I'm going to share how I trade the financial markets, and also I'm going to share how I trade the stock market, the commodity market. That strategy works in any of the markets. So let's get into it, guys. Let me share the screen. Not waste too much of our time. Think this. Hope you guys can see my screen. So this strategy, for me, I call it the smart money concept, but it's strategy that is compare of the smart money, and also it compares of the supply and demand, the liquidity gap and all that. But I just simply call it smart money concept. So how does it really works? This is how it works. The foundation, the cornerstone of the strategy is market structure. Understanding your market structure. If you understand market structure, the strategy is very easy. But if you don't understand market structure, if you have so complicated, having a lot of complications with market structure, that's where it will be so difficult for you. So let's get into it. So market structure, just like this, let's see if price is going up like this, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So this is what we all believe, that this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Price is just going up. And we've seen that this is a big of structure to the upside. It's a big of structure to the upside. And we see another big of structure to the upside, and this particular zone. To the upside, we see another big of structure to the upside to the zones. All right. To the upside to the zones. So if price is about coming down, where are you expecting to buy the market? Are you expecting to buy the market at this rate or buy the market at this rate? That's why I'm here. Okay. So if you come across this kind of scenarios, your expectations as a trader is to buy at the two recent low. If price is going uptrend, buy at the two recent low. Two recent low. Where are the two recent low of this market? These are the two recent low of this market. These particular zones and these zones. These are the two recent low that price broke out from. This low was this low is what triggers this break of structure. This low is what triggers this break of structure. And we've seen this will be my point of interest, where I'll be expecting to buy from, and also this will be my point of interest where I'll be expecting to buy from. So if price is definitely coming back here to the zones here, this will definitely be a market structure shift, which means price have definitely changed its strength, because previously we've seen that this is an uptrend, because this high, this high is higher than this high, this high is higher than this high, which signify an uptrend. Right now we've seen that price have broken out from the recent higher low, right? And I will call this market structure shift, or you call it change of character, because right now we've seen that this low is lower than this, right? Which means this is change of character. So if definitely price can continue coming back down and come to this and say, that's when I'll be looking out for buying opportunity. But before I will start buying, there's some principle guiding it. Please make sure you go along with this principle for high probability wins. So what are the principles? So in the moment price mitigated into your 4 hours point of interest, because I believe there might be, let's say there might be a fair value gap somewhere on these ones. Let's say fair value gap. Let me just 4 hours fair value gap. So there might be 4 hours fair value gap here at these ones, which price come back to refill and mitigate into our point of interest. So immediately the price mitigated to our point of interest, go to your lower time frame, like 1 hour, to look at the market structure. So after that, you cannot go back to your 15 minutes time frame. In your 15 minutes time frame, what you should be looking out for is the market structure shift. Market structure shift. Market structure shift. What I mean by market structure shift is when price come back to this point of interest, go to your 15 minutes time frame, be looking out for market structure shift. So the recent low, the recent high, that price was able to be, let me just say this is the recent high. Let me just say this is the recent high. Let me use this as the recent high. Okay, let's just use this as the recent high. The price goes to allow the price to break it out. That's the market structure sheet. So after that, price will now give us a pullback, because I always tell you that there must be a reason for a break of structure. There must be a reason, whether in 15 minutes time frame, whether in 5 minutes time frame, wherever you see a break of structure, there must be a reason. So the reason for that break of structure might be a fair value gap in that 15 minutes time frame. Allow the price to come back and mitigate into that fair value gap before looking out for what? Buying opportunities. And you will buy for a long run. You buy up to the zones. You might buy up to the zones. At least this is about ratio 1 to 5, 1 to 6. But please, if you are risking, I think 1 to 2 risk reward ratio is okay, or 1 to 3 is okay. But make sure your risk reward ratio is at least 1 to 2. Don't risk 1 to 1. Doesn't work out that way. So 1 to 2 is okay. 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. It all depends on your risk appetite. So that's it about this strategy. Let's play it out. Let me see, maybe you can play it out. Let's do some back testing. Maybe this strategy really works. Okay, let me close my eyes. Okay, anyway of my choice. Okay, so there's it. So straight up, go to your 4 hours to look at the market structure. Market structure is the key, is the foundation of this strategy. If you don't understand market structure, it will be so difficult for you to understand the strategy. So as you can see here, we've seen that price have been in a downtrend previously, and we've seen that this is a clear break of structure to the downside here, because price was able to like push up over, and this is a clear break of structure. We'll call these POS. Yeah, is it clear? And price will be out to the ends. Okay, will I say this is it? Because we have to understand the breakup structure, because this was able. Okay, this was not broken out, I think. Let me see. I have to analyze this. I have to take my time to understand the market structure. So let me go back to the previous analysis. So let's look at the previously. Price have been going down, down, down. And we've seen that this is the last low that price got. So yeah, this is the last low, because this is a clear breakup structure to the downside here. Right? So price got to this low before buyers coming here giving us a pullback, and we've seen a clear break of structure to the downside at this point in time. This is a clear break of structure to the downside, and this is a pullback, and this is another break of structure to the downside. Okay, so like I told you to focus on the 2 recent low. Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is a clear break of structure to the downside again. And ever since then, this is when, buyers, sellers were able to like push out the price, and this is the last low. So don't forget, I told you, when price is going down, focus on the 2 recent high. Where are the 2 recent high? The 2 recent high are these particular zones and these particular zones. So that's where I'll be looking at for my buying opportunity. So instead of sell. So that I sold out from this particular zones here. This might be my 4 hours point of interest. Or 4 hours point of interest. And this will be my 4 hours point of interest. And don't forget, we have a fair value gap at the space in time. This is a fair value gap in 4 hours time frame. Okay, so I'm expecting price to definitely come back to these zones before I'll be looking out for. Okay, let me change this color so that we won't be confused about it. Let me use red. Let me use red. Let me reuse red. Let's be fast. I think this is getting more. So I'm expecting price to definitely come back there. Let's see. So price come back here and give us a pullback. Wasn't able to break out from the low. Good. So price were able to break out from this low. I wasn't able to go into the price. So that's why some people have sold out. But why I decided to sold out is because most of the time I focus more on this on the recent the second recent high, because it have high probability and your winning rate is very high compared to this. And don't forget, this might lead to an inducement. Maybe I'm looking out for selling from this particular zone, and there's a fair value gap here, That's my cost and inducement. So that's why I never sold out from that zone, because we still have another fair value gap. I think somewhere around this particular zone, this is fair value gap. Fair value gap everywhere. It's a 4 hours fair value gap. So price of definitely take out this low, which is another break of structure. So I'm expecting price where our 2 cents low now. I think this is one. Okay, this is break of structure. Let me mark it out. Let's be fast. Okay, so price have taken out this low, and we're expecting price to definitely come back here somewhere around these zones. If you're selling, but if price broke up from this particular high, price might change to be an uptrend. Or if price haven't taken it out, that's still in downtrend. So let's play it out. I won't make it fast. So price, this is the low high that was studied, which price mitigated into that high. So my expectation, will I just go in for a sell right now? For me, because of this inducement, because of imbalance that is here, I think for me, I won't be selling because of this, because I don't want to now whereby, okay, let's see what can happen next. That's a long sell, babe. Can you see that? Though I refuse to say, but that's a long sell. I didn't know I sold out for that particular zone. That could have been a long buy. Let's see, like I didn't mean I sold out here. I'll just go to my 15 time frame. But I did been, let's look at for other, let's check out other example.